This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Use the same Google account and device type that created the backup. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected, battery is above 50% or the phone is charging, and the screen stays unlocked. Now open Settings, tap Google, then Backup. Once you select Restore, the phone will list available backups. Tap the one matching your device and date. This starts downloading app data, contacts, and device settings. Keep the connection stable while the initial restore kicks off. Once the restore begins, watch progress and notifications and the backup screen. You'll see app downloads and settings applied incrementally. Make sure Wi-Fi remains active to avoid data charges, and prioritize reinstalling critical apps first if the system allows. You'll be asked to grant permissions and sign into accounts. Do that promptly so app data can merge correctly. If an app stalls, pause others or restart the download. The system will continue configuration after each sign-in. For a seamless. As the final step, verify that contacts, photos, messages, and system settings match expectations. Open key apps to confirm data integrity. If something is missing, go to Settings, right arrow Accounts and force a manual sync, or reopen the app to trigger background restoration. If the correct backup never appeared, make sure you use the exact Google account, check the backup date, and confirm the phone model supports that backup. If problems persist, reboot the device and retry the restore process to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.